Hey guys, this video about Windows 11 23H2 build 22631-085. What's new in Windows 11? This non-security related update includes quality improvements. The key changes include expanded support for digital inking in certain text input fields for Windows Ink on the following languages and locales. It also includes more accurate recognition technology, gestures for deletion, selection, joining, and splitting words, as well as a gesture for inserting a new line. Added a feature for eye control system settings. Now, you can save these settings from a previous device when setting up a new device. These settings will then automatically apply to the new device when you reach the desktop. Resolved an issue affecting certain types of 7-zip files, which were displayed as empty in File Explorer. Fixed an issue where search in the Start menu stopped working for some users due to mutual blocking. Resolved an issue related to Wi-Fi Protected Access 3, WPA3, in the Group Policy Editor, where HTML Preview display was not functioning. Fixed an issue affecting Windows Management Instrumentation, WMI. A caching problem led to incorrect changes in current time zone. Windows is now more reliable during power transitions, reducing the risk of stop errors. Fixed an issue affecting OpenType font drivers. On some architectures, the problem could impact text display in third-party applications. Resolved a known issue affecting the COLRV1 color font format, which now displays properly. Windows uses this format for emojis with a 3D appearance. Fixed an issue to improve the reliability of video calls. Resolved an issue where WMI stopped working in certain scenarios with mobile device management, MDM, management providers, such as Microsoft Intune. Fixed a known issue affecting BitLocker data encryption. MDM services like Microsoft Intune could fail to obtain the correct data. Fixed an issue where the device could become unresponsive to commands. This occurred periodically after installing a print support application. Resolved an issue affecting access point names, APN profiles, hindering automatic configuration for cellular-capable devices. This occurred when executing the netch mbn show readyinfo query command. Fixed an issue affecting trusted platform modules, where some devices failed to initialize properly, causing scenarios based on TPM to stop working. Updated the list of vulnerable drivers in the Windows kernel vulnerable driver blocklist file, driver SCI policy 7b, to include drivers susceptible to bring your own vulnerable driver, BYOVD, attacks. For systems with Unified Extensible Firmware Interface, UEFI Secure Boot, an updated signature certificate has been added to the Secure Boot DB variable. This change can now be selected. Resolved an issue where the troubleshooting process was not executed. This occurred when using the Get Help application. Fixed an issue affecting remote app windows. In some cases, they remained on client devices after being closed. Resolved an issue affecting remote desktop clients, where they could connect to the wrong user session instance. This happened when a user had multiple sessions on the host. Fixed an issue occurring when changing the keyboard language. Changes were not applied to remote apps in some scenarios. Resolved an issue affecting the Explorer gallery, preventing the closure of the tooltip. Fixed an issue affecting Bluetooth Low Energy, LE audio headphones, losing sound during music streaming. Resolved an issue affecting Bluetooth phone call redirection. Audio was not redirected through the PC when a call was answered on the PC. Fixed an issue affecting Windows Lapse Post-Authentication Actions, PAA. Actions were performed on restart instead of at the end of the delay period. Resolved an issue affecting Active Directory. Requests to bind to IPv6 addresses were not executed when the requesting object was not